Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Redmi is unlocked and the screen stays on. This prevents accidental interruptions. Open the camera app if you recorded video there, or launch the built-in recorder app if it's an audio capture. Once the app is open, look for the red recording dot, a timer, or a stop icon near the shutter/controls. You need to be in the same app where recording started so the stop control is available. Do not switch to another app yet. Now you stop the recording. Tap the red stop button or the square stop icon visible on the recording UI. If you recorded video in camera, tap the shutter/stop control in the live view. If using the recorder app, tap stop and wait for the file to finalize. Once done, make sure to avoid force closing the app or switching tasks aggressively, because the system needs a few seconds to save and encode the file properly. This ensures your clip is intact and not corrupted. Finish by confirming the recording appears in Gallery for video or in the recorder list for audio. Open the file to play and verify length. If the file is missing, check File Manager under Movies/Recordings or Albums/Recent. Sometimes recordings save to a different folder. If playback fails or save did not complete, restart the recording app first, and if that does not fix it, reboot the Redmi to allow background save processes to recover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.